students of Standard 5, we learned chapter 16, Mini and the Kabuliwala, part 5. The word meanings are in this lesson is stuffed. Stuffed means filled with, something we fill with. Burst out laughing means suddenly began to laugh loudly. Probably, almost certainly. So, dear children, learn these meanings. And we have seen in the fourth part that father buys something, girl has become friendly with the Kabuliwala and he gives her lot of things and father paid the money for it. Kabuliwala took the money and they continued. Father went somewhere for his work. For work purpose, he went somewhere. As he returned, and what he sees. When I returned an hour later, after 1 hour when he came, I found Mini playing with the coin I had given Rahman. Where did you get it? I asked her. So he understood the money which he has given to Kabuliwala, Rahman, Abdul Rahman, that same coin this girl was playing. So he was little shocked, surprised, and he asked the daughter, where did you get these coins? How you have the coins? From where did you get? The Kabuliwala gave it to me, she replied. She said very sincerely, this money is given by Kabuliwala. Her mother was shocked. How could you take it from him? She asked Mini. When mother heard, she was so surprised. My daughter is taking somebody's money from a stranger. And she asked, how did he give to you? What did you do? Why did he give to you? How could you take it from him? As we are not giving, that you are taking from somebody. Mini did not think it was wrong. After all, Rahman himself had given it to her. So Mini did not think it is something wrong. She thought we are buying something and giving money. So he also gave me money and she took it. Because he himself gave, she did not ask him. But she took it unknowingly. That it is wrong or right, she did not know. Rahman and Mini soon became good friends. They had their own jokes which made them laugh. Mini would ask, Kabuliwala, what do you have in your bag? And Elephant, he would reply and they would both burst out in laughing. So now Mini and Kabuliwala became very good friends. He used to come and Mini used to wait. See how they are here in the picture? Mini's daddy, Mini and Kabuliwala. Here it is showing Mini is waiting. Kabuliwala comes here and Mini is at the door. And here every day he comes and goes and he gives this bag. So she asked him, what is in this bag? So he says, I am carrying elephant. And both of them laughed. They understood that man cannot carry the elephant. Though Mini and Rahman became close friends, my wife was not happy about it. Mini's mother was not happy that they become friends. Mini's mother was little doubting person. She thought my daughter, how she is meeting with one Afghanistani man, talking, being so free. So she was little reserved type person and she did not like it. This was because she felt we did not know much about him. Mother was little doubting because we don't know about this man, person from Kabul. And she was doubting my daughter what she will do and how he will be acting, this man. But I enjoyed watching their friendship grow. I enjoyed listening to their laughter. It made me happy to see them happy. Father says he enjoyed. He used to listen the little talk about them and talking that man with the little girl becoming on that level and talking and listening. And daughter also enjoyed talking to him. And that's looking at their happy moment, father is to enjoy. How they were friends, how they were talking very friendly way and listening. And their happiness watching that, he also felt very happy. Later we got to know that Rahman had a daughter of his own in Afghanistan. She was about Minnie's age. He missed her a lot. Was probably why he liked spending so much time with my daughter. So he later on father realized that the Kabuliwala also had a daughter in Afghanistan of the same Minnie's age. Small 5-year-old child, he also had. And he missed her because she was in Afghanistan, he was in Bengal. And he is doing his business in Bengal. So he used to enjoy thinking his daughter and talk to this girl, and he liked this girl. Just like his own daughter, he used to feel that. He missed his daughter. So he was fulfilling his wish while talking this little girl. Minnie reminded him of his daughter. Since he could not meet her or talk to her or laugh with her, he did all of that with Minnie. Because he cannot play with his child, cannot talk to her, cannot laugh with her, cannot play with her. So he was doing all with Minnie. So dear children, this is the story. See how Minnie is sitting on the bench and the Kabuliwala is here standing with his bag. Okay. So this is the way they are coming, daily coming, sitting, going. So he feels very bad that he cannot meet his daughter. So he is meeting this girl and satisfying himself. So dear children, you should observe, be friendly to all. This lesson makes us to be friendly. We can be friend to each other. Doesn't matter the age or rich and poor or anything. Your heart should match to that. Your willingness should be there, and you should know how to talk with the people. Okay, children? Thank you.